Hi, welcome back to Maria's Kitchen. I am so excited to be here with you today. This is one of my personal favorite drinks, Mango Agua Fresca, and it's going to be put together in a matter of minutes. It's perfect for this hot weather we're going through here in California. And you know what? I have to tell you just one thing about the mango. It's wonderful, did you know, for your eyesight. It has wonderful health benefits, which is vitamin A, which is good for your eyes. And I have to tell you this little thing that I heard on YouTube. They said that it actually helps with eye dryness. And so I was like, wow, that's pretty cool. And it's filled with antioxidants and it's great for your skin. So I'll be back to show you the ingredients and we'll get this put together. The very first thing you're going to need, of course, is mango. And I was at Costco, so I actually just picked up this organic mango chunks bag, but definitely you can use fresh mangoes when in season, but you can use this year round and it's wonderful organic. You'll need 1 gala apple and you'll need a 1/4 cup of sugar. Now you always have an option to use your agave or any other sweetener that you would like for this recipe. 3 cups of water, and this is extra, this is optional. It's Tajin, some season, and it's wonderful, which you can use, I'm just going to show you real quick, to put around the cup for garnish. So we're going to do that, and a few extra chunks because we're going to make a beautiful cocktail with this, and you'll see in just a minute. We'll be back. You're going to need 2 limes and you're going to need to juice them, fresh squeezed. Now if you don't have limes available, you can always buy this lime juice in your grocery section, and we'll be back. Getting ready to blend. You're going to need a pitcher and you're going to need a strainer and you're going to need a spatula because we're going to push all that wonderful juice through. We are ready to go. Now you got to make sure that you go ahead and rinse and cut up your apple. We have it cut up here in quarters, the gala apple. And I'm going to go ahead and put the 2 cups of mango chunks. We're putting that quartered apple in there. We're putting 3 cups of water, and I've got filtered water here, which I really like better. We've got the 4th cup of sugar, and we've got the 2 fresh squeezed lime juice. Yum. I love that. And we're going to go ahead and blend this. Look how easy this is. And we will be right back. It's all done and we're ready to strain. But I just have to tell you, some people do not strain it. They drink it just like that, and I probably would, but I'm just showing you another version. But it has the apple. We're going to just strain it. And look at this beautiful juice down here. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. And I'm going to go ahead and use my spatula, and you're just going to press it through. So we're going to get the absolute smoothest agua fresca, and we'll be right back to show you the finished product. I am all done, and look at this. This is what is left, and I'm just going to throw it in the sink, and we are going to put it in a beautiful pitcher. And I have to let you know that at this point, look how beautiful and rich that is. You add 1 more cup of water and that is it. Look how beautiful. Let's go pour. We are about ready to pour, and look how beautiful this looks. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do a rimmed cup like this with some of this wonderful Tajin here. So let's pour this in there. I also have to tell you, I have a little garnish here that I put on a skewer stick, and I'm going to sprinkle it with some of this. Ooh, look how pretty. Now you don't have to do this, but this is a little nice garnish. You could put it right over the cup like that, and then you put your beautiful fancy straw in there, and let me sip. Oh, I'm going to try it some more. It is naturally sweet, perfect with the 4th cup of sugar. Now, if you want to add any more sugar, you can add it, or you can add a teaspoon of the agave. And I'm going to show you how to do the rimmed cup now. Now, what you're going to do is put a tablespoon of water in a bottom of a bowl, and you're going to put a few dashes of this lime juice. Now you're going to invert the glass, and you're going to kind of try to wet the rim, and you'll have your Tajin in another bowl, and then you're just going to dip it in there, turn it around as much as you can, and voila, look how beautiful that is. And then at this point, you can even, oh, I love to sip and taste that when I'm drinking it. Oh, it's so delicious. So then at this point, you're very careful. You want, when for entertaining purposes, you put your ice in, and then you pour. And if you want to put that garnish, you can. If not, you don't have to. But there you go. We've got 3 of them here, and they look so beautiful. So I will be right back with the scripture of the day. I just have to tell you one more thing. This is the most beautiful thing you can take to a party, or to your mother-in-law's house, or to a friend's house, or girlfriend's. Oh my gosh. You can make it in advance, put it in this beautiful container, chill it, and take it to the party, and you're going to be a hit. Mango Agua Fresca, freshly made. I'll be right back. The scripture I chose today is Psalms 103, one of my favorites, and I'm reading from the Passion Translation. With my whole heart, with my whole life, and with all of my innermost being, I bow in wonder and love before you, holy God. Yahweh, you are my soul's celebration. How could I ever forget the miracles of kindness you've done for me? You kissed my heart with forgiveness in spite of all I've done. You healed me from inside and out, from every disease. You rescued me from hell and saved my life. You crowned me with love and mercy. You satisfy my every desire with good things. You've supercharged my life so that I soar again like a flying eagle in the sky. You're a God who makes things right, giving justice to the defenseless. Oh, how wonderful is that? We have a wonderful and most awesome God. And I want to thank you so much for spending time with me today. You've got to try this, and you've got to do this. I love sipping. I love sipping it on the side and getting that little Tajin seasoning. Oh, so good. I am going to surprise you on the next video. Thank you so much, and you have a great day. And share, tell friends, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. Bye.